Hi guys, we have some more beginning letter sounds today. So we have the Q. This is a lowercase q and an uppercase q. So we're going to be using the lowercase q. And we have an R. This is an uppercase R. And this one is a lowercase r. That's the one we are going to use today because most words are made from lowercase letters. So I have my pictures here, and I'm going to show you. He's a man, and he is saying shh, quiet, quiet. So I'm going to put Mr. Quiet over here by the Q. I have a ring. Ring starts with R. Here it is. Ring. Ring. Put it with our R. Here we have a quilt. Qu. Now the interesting thing about Q that it has to have a U with it. So there's a Q, U. Quilt. That starts with a Q. Here we have a queen. Queen starts with a Q and that U. Queen. Queen starts with Q. And we have this little guy. This is a rat. Rat starts like rat. Oh, I bet you can sound this one out and read. Try it with me. Rat. Yes, that's our at word. I'm going to put rat over with the R. Here is a rabbit. A rabbit starts with an R. Rabbit. Rabbit starts with R. And we have a quarter. A quarter. Quarter starts like a Q-U. Quarter. Put it with a Q. And we have a rainbow. Rainbow starts like rainbow. Here it is. There's your R. Rainbow. I'm going to put rainbow with our R words. Now let's see if I'm right. I'm going to do Q. Let's see if it starts with a Q. Quarter. Queen. Quilt. And quiet. That's right. They're Q words. And let's see about our R words. We have, let's see, a rainbow, a rabbit, a rat, and a ring. So these are our letter Q and R letter sounds in the beginning of words. Have a great day.